Hi, this is Hannah. Let's walk through how you can add a brand new staff member to your team in Salon. Let's get started. To add a new staff member, start by heading to the main dashboard and clicking on Staff in the left-hand menu. By default, you'll land in the Members tab, which is exactly where you need to be. From here, click the Add Staff button in the top right corner. A panel will slide in with a form to fill out. First, upload a profile picture, then enter the basics like name, email, phone number, gender, job role, and specialization. You can also add their Facebook or Instagram links if they have any, along with their address. Once that's complete, click Next to set up commissions. Here you can assign percentage rates for categories like services, book a look, packages, vouchers, memberships, and products. After that, hit Next again to assign venues, whether it's one or multiple. Finally, review all the details, and when everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Your new team member has been added successfully. And that's it. Your new staff member is all set up with commissions, venues, and details ready to go. Managing your team in Salon is fast, simple, and fully organized.